Well, I just bought a couple of new ratchets, the couple of Duralast from AutoZone. I seen a guy on YouTube that had bought one of these. It's a 72 tooth fine tooth, 3/8 drive. This is, I guess, comparable to the Snap-on one. The Snap-on one's got a shorter handle, but you can see the head's even smaller, and it's longer for more reach. But looks like about the same thickness. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But this one's a lot finer tooth. And then I seen this other one there too, and I like this one too. The head on this is smaller than, this is the Craftsman long handle one. And it's smaller than that one. This is my Snap-on Flex head, and the head's smaller than that one. Not by much, but some. My favorite ratchet, though, is this old Master Mechanic, believe it or not. This is my favorite ratchet. I like it because it's got a nice fine tooth on it, and it's got a thumb wheel on it so you can turn it. But I'll tell you what, I like the length of it too, and you'll notice this one here is the same length. So it may get, my favorite ratchet may get replaced by this one. Anyway, the cost on these, this one here was $19.99, and this one here is $26.99, I think. So both of them with tax, it was $50. That's a really small 3/8 drive ratchet. Pretty cool. See ya.